Nnamdi had never met his lordship, Honorable Justice Ezeozobo, in his lifetime. He never met him. Because I did not introduce him to his lordship. He was only hearing about him, the head of indigenous people of Biafra. Now Nnamdi now took over, said that now he is now the head, the leader. So the elders were now watching this boy. Do you expect the elders to come and fight with him? No. The elders were watching him, and we continued our own. The elders continued the IPOB customary government, the indigenous people of Biafra. Under the elders, we continued. But the press, I still accuse you of unfaithfulness and wickedness. Instead of telling the world the truth, you decided to promote Nnamdi Kanu's